Ow! Damn! God, shit. These are having, you know, you don't have a lift. Just do everything off the ground. Kind of come shooting out here. Drain a little bit. You got a copper washer on that bolt too, so be wary of that. Oh, she burped. God damn it. Just crack it. Get the Felix heat on there. I don't know why I'm talking in an Australian accent, by the way. Yeah, get it all nice and clean. You get it. Get it all out. Make it all nice. We're just gonna finish her off the other ways. Not worried about too much oil coming out of there because I got some other plugs, I got screens I gotta clean. Plug here. This one always seems to leak. Not leak, but this always pulls out a great deal of shit. Right? You gotta clean the screen as well. Some actual shards in there. That's what you get when you rip it. Oil looks dirty, but it don't look that dirty. Clean a carb. Right in the flower bed. What's up, kiddo?
Thank you for doing the great, Nick. Come here. That's garbage. The plumber's brush. Hold on. All the letters.
Bronzy metallic materials are inside this pig. Never fails, man. Trust me when you hear me fire it up. She sounds like she's fucking clapped out.
Go, 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 go.
Why you always gotta holler at that dog?
Go. Huh?
He just loves you.
I know he does, and I love him too.
Well, Mingus. Miniest. I warn y'all, you do not have to tighten this thing at all. It's kind of rough for a finish, huh? Don't you think? I think KTM would do a much nicer job there, mate. And then here,
the filters.
I don't know if I'll be able to work with a camera right there, but those two gotta go. And then we're gonna go, and then fire it up and go ping ping, zing zing. Oh, come on. There we go. I feel like that's sometimes the best way to get it out. An extra O-ring. So I don't like dry firing it without these things being a little wet. So I pour, what is this, 2050? Or 1050? Yeah. I'm going to fill her up until we kind of start seeing her bleed through. Just she gets to the top. Watch it. Let it go back in. This thing's got a freaking crack in the lid. Don't like it. It's like $20 a liter of this stuff too, by the way. And just like that, you know, you kind of start to see it bleed through the filter. That's what I like. I just go pop her in. Get the gasket. Give this a little love. My hands are oily. Rub that gasket. Get it on there. And I go with high flow because I get a good deal on them through my shop. And they've noticed they get just good quality out of like the Cannons or the Moose has an all stainless reusable filter and element and stuff, and to be honest, this bike first came with that type of filter. God, this filter is really lightweight. It bleeds through this really easily. So this one's even quicker. Shaplank. Be real gentle when pushing her in. Make sure that gasket seats. And then there you go. Clean the cap just a bit there, mate. Okay. flat part is what goes on the bottom. Done. Tools, 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 tools. Alright. So I can stick my finger in here. Clear the window. Oh, that's pretty clean. There's a little window back in there. We'll do about 1.5 liters here. If all goes well, nothing should be pouring out. He needs the whole thing. I'll tell you, those filters suck it up. And she says in the manual, about 1.4 liters. So, you know, you do a good oil drain, you can expect 1.4, 1.5.